left, I've made a little Craft Stash order. Now, two of the things I bought from Craft Stash were magazines. Craft Stash do back copies of magazines. I don't know if my invoice is in here. I'm not going to be uploading to my usual schedule anymore. It's just going to be absolutely hit and miss. Well, I'll try to stick to schedule, but it's probably not going to happen. So because I didn't have a haul on Friday that's just gone, I'm going to do this little haul now. So a couple of the things I got from Craft Stash were these magazines. These are back issues of magazines. I got the Die Cutting Essentials magazine, which is this one, for £2.38, and the Creative Stamping for £2.61. Now that is a huge saving. Normally this is £7.99 and this is £9.99. So buying them a bit late pays off. Now these are both Christmas editions as well, so they're obviously, I would imagine, last year's Christmas. But if you haven't got them or haven't seen them before, then they're new to you, aren't they? So I'll get rid of all the bumps out of there. This Die Cutting Essentials one came with this gorgeous die, set of dies, which cuts out the bow, the bauble wreath and the word joy. But you can actually cut the baubles so they're not in a wreath and use them separately on a card like so. Okay, so that's a really good free gift to get with that one. And then obviously throughout the magazine then it shares all sorts of adverts, and it shows you ways to use your dies, your free die, and it shows you gives you lots of ideas to use those, which I'll be casing later. Yeah, for all sorts of Christmas cards, techniques. I quite like that hinge die cut. I think I'm going to make a hexagonal card actually. I've got hexagonal dies that I bought not so long, octagonal dies that I bought not so long ago. So yeah, this has got Halloween stuff in, so it's probably an autumn winter from last year. And look at these fab simple cards, I quite like those. So yeah, lots of inspiration in there, and the free dies. Then with this one you got a massive free stamp set from Sheena. I think it's Sheena Douglas. Yeah, Sheena Douglas. I can remember Sheena Douglas used to be on. She used to be on Create and Craft quite a lot, the channel. And with this one you get this huge stamp set. I like these massive stamp sets, and you get some papers as well. I'll just get rid of all the, I would imagine that the subscription gifts have changed now, so they're no good. The other thing is obviously to watch out for when you're buying back copies is look like this. You can get a free stamp set by sending in something, but obviously you probably won't be able to get that anymore. So this one has this lovely stamp set which has got trees and a little lodge in it, and robins, foxes, owls, winter sort of, someone bringing a Christmas tree home, wintry scenes, okay, some snowflakes and little different sized trees and a little, is it a herd of deer or a flock, I don't know, little church. Oh, there's some gorgeous little stamps on there that will make gorgeous scenes and would also make lovely papers on their own. And then again through here there's all sorts of tips and tricks of how to use your stamp set. That's really nice. So simple but nice. Lots of them, how to use your stamp set. There's tons of them. So yep, I did notice there was a little sort of snowfall stamp set on this one here. I think it looks like a little snow flurry. So I'm going to have fun using that one. And there's lots of individual little snowflakes, I think. Oh no, that's one stamp. But yeah, I'm going to make a scene, a woodland scene for that. Look at this. This is heat embossing, I think. Shimmer powder, mica mist and Nuvo drops. Lovely. So yeah, lots of ideas, lots of inspiration. In fact, this whole magazine seems to be devoted to the set on the front. And you will find as well in some of these magazines, you'll find Stampin' Up. If you're a Stampin' Up only person, you will find ideas for Stampin' Up sets now and again. They do use some Stampin' Up stuff. So yeah, so there we go. They're going to be used very, very soon. So that was part one of my stash. Then I got another couple of little bits. I got these little ultra fine glue applicators. I got a pack of 3 for £2.30. Now I had tried to, I noticed that Woodware do a set. Oh my goodness, it is pitch dark outside. Sky is so cloudy. Woodware do a set that I've seen Anne Melvin get with the metal tips, but I just can't get them anywhere. Everywhere seems to be out of stock. And then they've just got these, what we used to call a knob pin with a little pearl on the top. You can take that out and have a bit of a thicker applicator if you want, but these will be really useful for really intricate dies. So yes, I'm looking forward to using those. In fact, I'm just going to take them out of the bag and pop them over there for now. Get rid of the packaging, all the unnecessariness. Yeah, so I'll pop them on my little desk. Another thing I got was a set of 4x4 cards and envelopes. Now these are 250 GSM and the envelopes are 100 GSM, and these were £3, I think. £3.55 for 50. So I thought they're just going to be handy. I've got to make some cards for a charity giveaway, so I'm going to use those. And I got the cellophane bags, got 50 cellophane bags, the same size, and they were £2.21. So for £5.76 I got 50 cards, 50 envelopes and the 50 bags. Now let me just check that the cards fit in the bags. Because I know sometimes they don't. And you need to get the next size up. So let me just check. And also check that the card But if you're doing a craft fair, I think it just takes the extra bit of prep out for you if you've just got your base and your card already made. Haven't even really had a chance to look. We can see the new Stampin' Up catalogue and the celebration gifts and stuff for next year. I think we can start ordering from that really soon, demonstrators, but I haven't even really had a chance to have a look at it yet. Yeah, so everything fits inside everything, so they're great. Okay, so that's those. And then the other thing I got was, I wanted, these, which was a set of nesting rectangle dies, which are stitched or pierced, and these were £3.81. Now I got these because Stampin' Up don't do rectangle dies. I ordered these and then the new catalogue came out, and I'm not going to say anything else because I'm not allowed to tell you what's in it, but you might be able to figure out what I would like to say. Anyway, these are only £3.81, and they're from Creative Dies Wonky Stitches collection, and they look so cute. And I like that the one before, you know, this one's stitched, this one's pierced, this one's stitched, this one's pierced, stitched, pierced, stitched. So you can lay them together and you'll have the two different looks in one. And they're nesting, of course, which is fabulous. So they were a bargain, £3.81. Then I also wanted a set of dies for spinner and slider cards. And so I got this Apple Blossom set. Now, I don't know how to use it, but I'm doing an animated card swap, so I thought I'd do a spinner or a slider card, because I've never done one before. I don't know how to use it, so I'll figure that out, and I'll be using that later today. I'm going to have to do some crafting in the dark today. I'm going to try and draft in a daylight lamp from upstairs, or maybe nip and get one from Argos or something if I can't. But that was, I thought they might come in handy. I'm sure you can cut the grooves without it, but that was £6.84. That was all I really wanted when I went shopping, but I ended up buying another few bits. Then the other thing I got was this Pretty Quick Impressive Results at Once Christmas pack, and it's Pretty Quick card kit snow globe scene. And I thought, ooh, let me try it. So these are, I love kits, I absolutely love kits. This was £5.32, and it contains, this is not a toy, it comes in, be a nice gift to give to somebody. In fact, I might actually get a couple of these as gifts. I don't like the way the box has been squashed though, but I suppose you could sort of condition the box, get it back into shape. But let me have a look. And if you're making a bigger order, this came in an envelope. It'd probably come in a box anyway, and then you probably wouldn't get that crushing. Now, let me just move some of these out of the way so you can see what's what. So I can see what's what. So inside the box then, oh, inside the box you get a stamp set. Wow, it says not actual size on the front, but that's all it says. I don't know if it says this product could have sharp edges, please use it carefully. Small parts product could present choking hazard. Don't leave it tended, not intended for use by anyone under 14. I quite like that. So anyway, we'll open it up and see what we've got inside. Gosh, you got the dies as well. So for £5.32, you get the dies and the stamp set. Wow. And you've got a 3D little round dimensional sort of foamy shapes. Got a bag full of silver sequins, which I'm assuming make a shaker card. You've got the elements here of your snow globe. Look at that, you've got a little snowman that snaps off there, and you've got with love there. And then you've got your little snowman that you stamp there. Wow, you know, I can't wait to make this. There's no instructions there. And then you've got cards, no envelopes. But you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 cards, quite big ones. To make a card. I'll be using this to make a card, and I'll be using that and that. So expect to see me, I'm going to use all of these now, so expect to see projects popping up left, right and centre with me using these things. Not exclusively these things, because I still have one project left for the design team using the Spirited Snowman. So anyway, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you again very soon using these products, because I'm excited about them.